star. That's what they call you. You gotta get through. Hello.
You're happy.
Always happy.
What were you singing?
Star by Kinky D.
How old's that?
What? Late 70s, early 80s, maybe. Kinky D. Star.
Not on your age.
Oh, hello, boys and girls. Got my coffee. She left me alone in the kitchen. So I might be getting wrong in a minute. But let's see if we get the charts wrong. And a warm welcome to one and all. And if this is your first time here, I am the overgrown child, that is the scruffy trader, and sitting next to me is Wonderwink, who often wonders what on earth I'm going to be getting up to next.
Very true.
Well, today I'm just going to do a very quick trade. I'm going to quickly fire the screens on here, and I'll show you for why I'm actually doing this for the Scruffy Squad. And if you're curious as to what I was singing on the way in,
I don't think anyone was really.
Yeah, they were. It's this Kinky D. Absolutely fabulous. As you can see, my playlist is amazing. Absolutely amazing. You laughing at it? It is. It's brilliant.
Dreadful.
It's fantastic. Who doesn't like Bucks Fizz?
Who knows Bucks Fizz?
Shut up. They're fantastic. Well, all right then. Meatloaf. You must like meatloaf. Everybody likes meatloaf. I love meatloaf. I like eating it as well. Are you going to make me meatloaf for dinner? That'll be no then. Actually, I'll go to the pub. Cooking's terrible. Right. As I was saying, right, I'm doing it for these guys. It's a little bit similar to the prop firm. I've been in it this morning, which is a mirror of Morning Star series that I'm doing. And I like to speak from experience rather than bullshit. What do I mean by that? I will trade what I say I'll trade. And earlier on this morning, I put a strength sheet in, which is here. Pulled out cable for me. There's also this bunch here to look at today. But I've already completed what I need to do. That was done at 6:20 this morning. And also I do what's called a scruffy bias, whereas I'll pull out what I'm going to trade. It's currently coming up 20 to 10. This was done at 20 to 9 this morning, so they know exactly what I'm doing in advance. And I'm looking at the DAX to buy it, and cable, as you've seen, I've already traded and completed it. So what's this all got to do with the price of bread? It's very easy to trade something in hindsight. I prefer to trade it in the moment. And that's what we're doing. Well, at the minute, what I can see, just if we pull this out, we were discussing yesterday value points, how to gauge what's going on. Well, there's a value area here. There's a and as you see further down, you'll have seen a green box, which is kind of tying in with the bases of these, which is another value area. And what I'm going to do is expand on that by looking to trade it. Now, this seems to be a good area. However, the market is pushing down heavily, and it still has plenty of room to crash back down again. So I've got to be a little bit careful with it. Let me just check something a second, guys. I just want to... Okay, so what I'm going to do to help me is drop on a moving average. And that moving average is a 20. Just like so. Because I want to see what is happening higher up. Now, as we can see, it is approaching this. Now, a moving average can work as a bounce point. And what that means is it can repel the market away. So in this instance, I'm watching it to see if there's enough strength to crack through it. And yes and no. So I'm going to watch it for a little bit. Ideally, I want to enter either down here or on the other side of this. So I'll keep an eye on it and I'll look to get in. What I'm looking to achieve when I'm day trading, it's only 10-20 pips. Just get in, get some money, get out. That's it. Very, very simple. And what you're seeing here is about as simple a setup as it gets. I use levels. That's it. You know, work from one to the next, looking for pockets of air where I could possibly make some money. And if I can, boom, off I go. So I'll leave the camera running and you can watch it, and with a bit of luck, earn some cash. And then once I've finished the trade, I'll come back and I'll have a little discussion about what I've done and why I've done it. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, job's done. I've pulled the trades. I can go back to market if I so wish. And why is that? Well, because it's only 11 o'clock. But I've done what I wanted to do. And I've pulled it because we're coming into a value zone. And as you can see, it's like pushing back, pushing back. If I hang on, it'll just come back and stop me out. If I kill it, I get paid. 356 for not much work, in fairness. I'm happy with that. It was controlled, and because I'm here, I managed it. Now I'm just looking at it. Sure enough, it's gone and hit the level. Sod's law. But look at this one. Came up to the level before and screamed back down. Now this could just be a flush. There's the tail, but it stopped dead where I marked. This is why levels are so important. So as you can see, 356, I can live with that. So that's me done for the day. The Morningstar this morning, which did quite well. Put it into the 5%ers because that's what I do with that. I kind of mirror it across. And then I just look to earn a wage. And those wages are always zone to zone. That's simple. I'm never greedy. I don't overstretch. And I certainly don't live in la-la land saying I'm going to have this new shiny bollocks of cloning this account or that account to another account. It's daft. What I do is I might trade multiple accounts. And the reason I'm bringing this up, I was asked about it this morning, is I day trade and I swing trade. My swing trades control bigger things I want in life. Sort of your pension. I have a house fund. I have a car fund. And what these do is they enable me to spread myself out a little bit, because the one thing I don't want to do is put all my eggs in one basket. Might as well just have one big account, because if I screw one of them, I'll screw them all. But what I do with my multiple accounts is my day trade is one set of rules, my swing trades are another set of rules, and the two of them are kept separate. Very, very simple. And that way, if something goes wrong in one account, I've always got the other one to fall back on, so I can fight another day. And that's the thing, you're just spreading your risk. And likewise, when you see me trading, I don't go into market fully straight away. I'll just go in small, you know, just a fiver, just to get it going a little bit, and then build into the position, but take money off, leave a little bit on the table so it can run and give me a bit more. But as it's oscillating backwards and forwards, it's building up a single position while taking money out. Simple way to do it, guys. It's just world building and account building. So I hope that makes sense. But there you go. This was just a quick trade, just to back up what I put onto the squad every morning. And that's it. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.